My name is Sabir Haladar. Call me Sabir. My address is.
Where are you from?
I'm from Borishal. Is a very famous place is Riverview. Lot of Riverview and nearby Podama Setu.
Okay, what's your hobby?
My hobby is a first hobby. I am an international traveler and to any country I visit and then I go to abroad. My big elder brother is already abroad. Then this place I stay.
Okay, so how many members do you have in your family?
My family is member of four. My mother, father, my elder brother, and me.
Okay, are you happy with them?
Yes, I'm family. I also happy because my elder brother is already abroad. My father and mother and me stay in Bangladesh.
Okay, do you like traveling?
Yes, sir. I love traveling. First, I love traveling.
Okay, is it good for our health and also like it is good for our remove monotony?
Yes, sir. Travel is mandatory. Is I am very sick and then disappointed, and I go to travel is a many nice place. My mind is very fresh, and then I very easy fresh and I very easy. Then next.
Okay, sir. This is the end of part one. Right now, I'm giving a cue card. You have 1 minute to take in preparation, and then you will.
First of all, I like travels, and I already visit in 2 and 3 country. First of all, Bangladesh is all tourist spot I already visit. One spot not visit is Sajek because I same place is Mayamtong and Sajek Valley. Then I think is not go to Sajek Valley. Then another all Bangladesh is all visited. I already visit. And I go to international trip. First of all, I go to Singapore. Singapore, I think I say very tough, but I got visa and go to Singapore. Singapore is a small country, but is a nice and beautiful country. It's clean and clear, and with lot of games and river view, lot of Iceland. I already all places visit. Is 20 days already. I stay 20 days and all places visit Singapore. And then I say go to Malaysia. Malaysia is a big country. No, all visit is not possible. It's 10 days. I stay in 5 and 6 days. First of all, I go to Genting Highland. Genting Highland is a cable car. It's my favorite. I also 10 and 15 years. I think I go cable car and I playing cable car and I will cable car and Betuga Caverns is a Hindu is a big temple is a 20 maybe 500 series is a big is a very hill and then I walk up this area is very nice upper is very nice and then some visit and local market is Malaysia is a lot of Bangladeshi people and one market name is Bangla market. This place all Bangladeshi food available, Bangladeshi all rice, fish and everything is this market available and lot of Bangladeshi. And another side is one side is Bangladeshi market, the another side is Malaysian market. He is on Malaysian food and market. All boys is Malaysia, and I visit some days visit, and then I think another country I visit. I go to Cambodia. Cambodia is a small country, but it is a very clean and clear.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. This is your end of Q&A session. Right now, I'm going to take some question. Is it good or bad to make friends from different cultures and backgrounds?
Yes, it's good different culture or this culture because Bangladeshi culture and another country culture is different. Then I like, but it's a new experience. This culture and Bangla culture is not match another culture, and then I like then another culture.
Okay, tell me about the tourist system of our country.
Our country tourist system is very bad. First of all, is a lot of money is embassy fees. No lot of money, some money, but is a lot of papers. Those job holder is lot of, and then student is a lot of paper, but he's not manage the lot of paper. But agency is he asks lot of paper and then make a visa. But any student is a lot of paper make and arrange, and then visa submit and not properly visa. Then and another Bangladesh is most popular visit tourist spot is Cox's Bazar, but he's not another countries people is not available in coming. Some country have another coming, some another Sri Lanka, maybe Thailand, Cambodia not coming. Is Europe, America is countries people not coming this place. But this Cox's Bazar is a big tourist spot. Is Bangladesh government is this place is arrange the good, and that maybe another country people is coming.
Sir. Thank you very much. This conversation, you're doing very well, and sometimes this makes a mistake about the sentence. So right now.